everybody, welcome to the channel. It's Homesteading with Sadie. There's Sadie. Coco, you see her tail. Anyway, so it's pretty early in the morning, Sunday morning, 7:30. It's gonna get hot today, but it's so wet. We have had rain every single day. And then my sprinkler just went off because I didn't shut it off, but I only have it going for 5 minutes. But I need to get to the garden. So I am going to put this on fast forward, show you a little garden cleanup, and I guarantee you I will not get the whole garden done today because it's gonna get hot quick. And I'm not into sweating and all that stuff, but I'm gonna get the weed eater. I'm gonna run the weed eater instead of the lawnmower because it's really hard to do the lawnmower in the garden. So let me get the keys to the shed and set you up on a tripod, and then I'll take you around my garden. So stay to the end and I'll show you, because I've already found something in the garden that I didn't realize I even planted, and it's so super exciting. I'm gonna show you all my volunteer plants, which is crazy, but I think I'm actually going to get some volunteer fruit out of it this year. So stay tuned, come along with me. Let's get this garden cleaned up. I cleaned out here in this room yesterday. I was going to videotape it, but I was like already in the midst of tearing it apart. I'll show you before and afters here. I'll just insert the pictures, but I need to take that stuff to the shed. And now I'm actually able to sit out here at night or during the day, whatever. I sprayed some bug spray because spiders and who knows, I hope nothing's in my boots actually. So anyway, there's so many bugs, so many flies. I put a fly trap in the garden, but I don't know if it's gonna catch anything because the only thing I had was a rotten banana to put in it. Anyway, let me set you up and get started. Over here, I've never planted anything in it, so I was thinking about taking the tiller to it today, but I think I'm just going to weed whack it down and see what I got left remaining of the weeds. There's nothing growing in this thing but weeds, so I'll take care of that real quick, just in case you're wondering why I'm in the raised bed. And yeah, it would have been a lot easier to do this with the lawnmower in these big spots, but it's so wet out here. So that's probably the best it's going to get. I feel like it's kind of late to plant anything. I mean, it's probably not, but I'm going to actually cover this with cardboard, stick some slow release fertilizer on it or what have you, and then prepare this for my fall garden. And that'll kill all the weeds. So I'm going to do that in a little bit or later before these weeds get out of control again. I am really surprised I didn't find anything living in there. I'm happy, but surprised. myself I was only going to go as long as that batteries died. So anyhow, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. And knowing Bob, the good husband that he is, he will come in here and finish what I didn't get, and the yard. Anyway, let me show you. First of all, I was letting my lettuce bolt because I've never grown lettuce before. I gave several heads to the chickens. That's basically what I was growing it for, but it's finally bolting into flowers. So this is a new experiment for me, and I'm supposing it will turn to seed, and I will save the seeds, and then I will pick that remains and give it to the chickens. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I've had to spray that down with neem oil so many times. I had so many bugs. But I've gotten 3 or 4 zucchinis out of that. There's a tomato growing. Tons of flowers. More tomatoes over here. Tomato plants. I don't have a tomato yet. I think I have a zucchini in here somewhere. Yeah, right here. Another one. Be ready to pick in a few days. All the beans. Tons of beans. I need to pick them before they get fibrous. And there's a tomato in there somewhere. But look at all my volunteer tomatillas. I've not planted tomatillas in 4, 5 years. I don't know. They come back every year. Every year they don't actually do well, but they certainly do grow. They're very invasive. Who knew? I don't know where they're coming from. I don't give these to the chickens. I might actually have given the stems to the chickens, but anyway, I've got tons of tomatillas, and they're full this year. In the past, they never really got, see this one's still small, but in the past, they never really got that big. These are all volunteer. I need to put this up so it's not on the ground. I see somebody right there try to eat themselves one, apparently. Okay, so I just looked through the cattle panel there. My peas really didn't take. See, I got a couple peas here that are remaining. Like 1 pea in the pod. Did I focus? I don't know. Which, look how tiny. Actually, 2 peas. And they're delicious. I love raw peas. I guess maybe I just planted them too late. Not sure what I got going on over there, but here's the surprise. Oh, more tomatillas over here. I'll show you real quick. Oh, the bees. Look, all these are tomatillas. Volunteer. This whole thing. The whole thing. I'm going to be making verde salsa this year. But these are all my cucumbers. I need to get to the strawberry bed. I'll let it go crazy. Shame on me. But all my cucumbers, I've picked 2, 3, 4 cucumbers already. We had a little creature, which I'm assuming it was that creature that we've had in the yard, eating this one. So I just left it for it. Hopefully, oh, here's another cucumber right here. I have another tomato plant. Sorry, I have another tomato plant hiding in here. However, here's what I want to show you. I forgot that I planted cantaloupe. Look at this. Focus. Look at that. Little cantaloupe. I think I've successfully grown a cantaloupe once. Melons are hard for me. But anyway, that's all I got to tell you today. Got to spray down with neem oil. I'm hot though. I'm going inside. It's hot and I'm sweating. I got to put the tools up. But Bob's not here. That's why I was doing this. He'll be able to hear later. And I'm sure he may or may not. Actually, I got it looking pretty good. I'm sure he'll cut the backyard. But, and there's my, what do I got here? Is this my mandarin? Oh, Lord, I think it's my mandarin orange. What does it say? I lost the tag that said. Anyway, I got lots of buds. All right, so we'll see you on the next video. Remember, Sunday is the bus videos, and every Wednesday is just a YouTube kind of video. Oh, look, I need spray. Is that a bug? Oh, he's already dead. Guess the neem oil got him. But, so anyway, we'll see you on the next video.